Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Eye tip: banish dark circles and fine lines. Evenly apply eye essence around the eyes and gently massage with your fingertips. Recommended time: 10 minutes. Recommended energy level: 3. Recommended waveform: continuous mode. Tap Start button. Lift from the eye corner towards the temple in an upward motion using the applicator. Glide the applicator in circular motions from the eye corner towards the temple. Glide the applicator in circular motions from the eyebrow towards the hairline. Repeat the above techniques on the other side. Facial tip: elevate the radiance of your complexion. Evenly apply serum to the face. Parameter setting. Recommended time: 10 minutes. Recommended energy level: 3. Recommended waveform: continuous mode. Tap Start button. Move the applicator on the 3 areas of the face, move it upward on the chin, from the middle of the face to the side on the cheeks, and upward to the hairline on the forehead. Move the applicator in circular motions on the 3 areas of the face, move it upward on the chin, from the middle of the face to the side on the cheeks, and upward to the hairline on the forehead. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, eye cream, and facial cream. It is recommended to take 1 to 2 sessions a week, and a course of treatment consists of 10 sessions. Contraindications: pregnant or lactating women, individuals with heart disease or pacemaker, those with unhealed surgical wounds or in the recovery period, individuals with epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism, or malignant tumors, people with skin disease or infectious disease.